Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong harangkat ke jingai trelang bat ke Singla Associates kalapenlong ya kabai rally hane kesengi kekatsan teriku agas arjar arbusau manrake ya kejingdap nyopu prasnem jong kejingyo lajlo jongkari India baru bankan mau buram yau Kapten Casing Clifford nongrum ubalaklan ha kejingekun ha katma kargil ya gane ke rally lakhawe lama dagi bahaying jong Kapten nongrum ubala IT yaladi na kabenta kari berkejat penreu ha katma kargil
78th Independence Day, and also in memory of the late Captain Casing Clifford Nongrum, who has Mahavir Chakra. He sacrificed his life in the Kargil Vijay Diwas on the 1st of July 1999. So this bike rally is an honor to him. Being a local lad from the city, we are proud of him. We are proud of his parents. You might have lost your son, but you lost the spirit of nationalism, our love for the country. It will remain in us. We share with you the joy of being the parents of Casing Clifford Nongrum. Thank you so much. Very soon we will start the bike rally, and before that, I would like to request. We will start being Independence Day, so we will start with the national anthem. So kindly stand attention, and we will start the song.
First of all, I would like to thank President and Secretary and Treasurer and other official committees of Rotary Club of Orchid Shillong, and also with Sangla Associates for inviting us. We are thankful to you, sir. We are really thankful to you that you have remembered our son, Captain Clifford Nongrum, who had made sacrifice in Kargil war, and he had been in only few years service, but at the young age of 25, he had made supreme sacrifice for the country. So for which you have remembered, and we are thankful to you. Also, we are grateful to you for inviting us, and we are very proud of your inviting us. And also, most of the members, we were from the government service, and also dignitaries of all departments. So we respect you, and we believe that you will carry on this club higher and higher, fly higher and higher. And today I need not speak more, and because the time has already come that you will be starting your writing. So I only wish that all of you are happy and safety and successful race today, and also happy Independence Day. With these few words, I